Estevao Williams is a future GOAT. He is coming to Chelsea. He is coming to England to be a Ballon d'Or winner in the future. I'm seeing this guy. You see this guy and Cole Palmer. I keep on saying it. These guys are going to bring Chelsea our first Ballon d'Or because they are talented. They are not just footballers, but football is in them. Football want them to play it, not they want to play football. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about this few important information from Chelsea camp. Mudryk doping issue. Yes, there is latest news about it. And Enzo Maresca has been suspended. And Jadon Sancho obligation to buy has been kicked in or triggered. We'll come and talk about it. And our young talented winger Estevao Williams set another new record. Estevao Williams, guys, set another new record. We'll come and talk about it. And Enzo Fernandez reached a milestone. And Robert Sanchez also had some number of appearances. So far, so good for him because Maresca is dating his sister. For that matter, yes, Sanchez has some number of appearances. We'll come on, and even Maresca records. Yes. So guys, these are the things that we are going to talk about in this video. So please watch this video till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And yesterday, we gave you a video about Chelsea signing a striker. Yes, all the 4 strikers Chelsea interested to sign: Liam Delap, Victor Osimhen, Sesko, and Victor Gyökeres. Yes, the video is here, guys. Please, you can click to enjoy them. And let's start with Enzo Maresca suspension. In fact, Enzo Maresca has been suspended during our game against Fulham. He was booked, and that is his 3rd yellow card this season. So our next game, he will not be available on the touchline. So Chelsea second manager will be on the touchline. Yes, I think Sunday or Saturday against Everton. He will not be available. He has been suspended, guys. Yes, and even his records has been revealed so far. The number of games he played. Yes, the number of wins, the number of losses. Yes, let's look at it, guys. Yes, Enzo Maresca number of games played so far. Yes, 49 matches, 12 losses, 28 wins, and 105 goals scored. 9 draws and 54 goals conceded under Enzo Maresca. And percentage-wise, he had 57% all competition. Or in all competition for Enzo Maresca. Yes, guys. That is Enzo Maresca record so far when he joined Chelsea. Yes, this season, being Chelsea manager this season. 57%, not bad. Because more than 50%, 57, not bad. For this, his records or numbers, for Enzo Maresca as a manager, for me, I think it's good for him. That is big achievement for him. Individual for a manager. Coming to Chelsea, look at the squad we were having at the beginning of the season. Yes, some people said that Chelsea will not even finish, yes, around the top 10. But now we are even competing for the top 4. Yes, we may get the top 4. We will get it. So, as I was saying, these numbers are for good for Enzo Maresca. But we the Chelsea fans, no. Because I saw my Chelsea sacking a manager who finished 4th, not even 4th, 3rd. Yes, 1 Premier League and 1 FA Cup. I saw Manchester sack a manager who won as Champions League. So I want to talk of Enzo Maresca, just numbers, nothing to show for now. So for Enzo Maresca, big achievement. But for we the Chelsea fans, if Enzo Maresca wants us to celebrate him, at least he should enter 4 for us. He should get Chelsea Champions League for us playing Champions League football next season. Yes. So guys, these are the information for Enzo Maresca. He has been suspended. He will not be on the touchline against Everton. And Jadon Sancho, guys. Jadon Sancho obligation to buy has been kicked in. Yes, after Chelsea beating Fulham, collecting 3 points, now everything, yes, showed that Chelsea will not finish below 15th on the league table. And that was the obligation to buy. Chelsea not finishing below 15th on the league table. And when you look at the numbers, the points Chelsea accumulated now, yes, Chelsea will not finish below. So now, that obligation to buy has been kicked in, triggered. So if Chelsea is going to sign Jadon Sancho, then Chelsea will pay 25 million and sign him permanently. But if Chelsea will not sign him, Chelsea will pay 5 million to override the contract. That is the issue here for Jadon Sancho signing. Chelsea signing him permanently. Let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea signing Jadon Sancho. Should Chelsea sign him, guys? And our young talented Estevao Williams. Estevao Williams has set another record, guys. I'm telling you. The first player in the Brazilian league to have 10 goals plus and 10 assists plus before turning 18. Estevao Williams, the only player in the Brazilian league to have 10 goals plus 10 assists plus before turning 18. Even Neymar didn't do it. Neymar, when you look at the Brazilian league, I can tell you that Neymar was the prominent player, came out from that league. But the records this guy is setting is so insane. See, Estevao Williams is a future GOAT. He is coming to Chelsea. He is coming to England to be a Ballon d'Or winner in the future. I'm seeing this guy. You see this guy and Cole Palmer. I keep on saying it. These guys are going to bring Chelsea our first Ballon d'Or because they are talented. They are not just footballers, but football is in them. Football want them to play it, not they want to play football. Cole Palmer and Estevao, football want them to play it, and not them want to play football. So guys, let's hope when this guy joins Chelsea, he really replicate that form he is showing at the Brazilian league for now. And even I think his agent or his manager said after the FIFA World Cup he will join Chelsea. Yes, after the World Cup tournament he will participate or play with Maresca, that he then join Chelsea. Yes, so let's hope when he come, he play good, he deliver, yes, and play with injury free, because sometimes that is the issue. And even next season also Santos is also joining. So 2 Brazilian players. In fact, if you want to have a competitive team, a good team, forget, you need to have Brazilians in your team. When it comes to football, they are top notch. They are super. I never see a bad Brazilian player. No. Or if you ever seen one, let me hear from. No. All of them, be it he's a defender, midfielder, striker, goal, they are always good. Brazilians. Maybe my Brazilian brothers who are yes. Let's come to Enzo Fernandez. Enzo Fernandez reached a milestone, given 10 assists plus, yes, and created the most chance in the Premier League. 30 plus chances created in the Premier League for Chelsea, more than any midfielder this season. And this is good for Enzo Fernandez, guys. See, Chelsea, this is why we keep on saying we need a striker. Even when you look at the records, it seems Chelsea is the second team created the most chance. But look at us. We are even struggling to get top 4. So that means that we should even be competing for the league title based on the numbers, based on the chances, the SG and co. Yes. So that means that Chelsea, we need goal scorers next season. Even any winger Chelsea will sign or any midfielder Chelsea will sign, want to talk a strike, that player should have a goal scoring ability. I'm telling you. So indeed, Chelsea, we need a creator, a scorer, a finisher, a clinical striker. Guys, Enzo Fernandez, since he joined Chelsea, this is the season he gave more assists than any of the season he played for Chelsea. So big congratulations to him. Let's hope he improve. Yes, next season give us more performance, good performance. For me, I want Enzo to add goals to his name, yes, to his numbers. And Robert Sanchez reached 50 appearances for Chelsea. Our goalkeeper, the best goalkeeper in the Premier League. The clean sheet, Robert Sanchez. The Robert Sanchez all Chelsea fans like. The Robert Sanchez all Chelsea fans love. Your Robert Sanchez, my Robert Sanchez, our Robert Sanchez. Maresca Robert Sanchez. He reached 50 appearance, milestone, big milestone. So now Sanchez's sister will be happy. Yes, all of us know that Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister. Confirm. Fact from me, not a dogma. It's a fact from me. Confirm. Enzo Maresca is dating Sanchez's sister. That is why he can't bench him. If Enzo Maresca do any mistake and bench Sanchez, I'm telling you, Sanchez's sister will leave Enzo Maresca. Yes, they will divide the property 50-50. So I'm telling you, Maresca cannot bench Robert Sanchez. Yes, and let's talk about Mikhailo Mudryk doping issue. Guys, information said that they had a test on him again called polygraph test. In other words, lie test. Yes, they will test his blood to see, yes, maybe the doping substance, to see the volume of it, if it is in his blood. Yes, they will do him some research, ask him some questions. Yes, polygraph test or lie test. Ask him some questions about that doping issue. Maybe where, yes, during that time he traveled to like certain things. Yes, more into details about his life. Yes, concerning the doping issue. So they asked him or did this research on him, and everything came out clean. Yes, that Mudryk didn't lie. He didn't lie about anything. Yes, that is the polygraph test. But for the sample B test hasn't come out. The test all of us are waiting for. The A came out positive. Now we are waiting for the B. If the B also confirmed positive, then there Mudryk is guilty. But as we are speaking now, he is innocent until proven guilty. So now, as I said, the sample B hasn't come. Only the polygraph test, yes, they did on him and he passed, yes, show that he didn't lie about anything at the beginning. So guys, that is the doping latest for Mudryk, yes, now. But this Mudryk doping issue, guys, like I don't know, like very difficult to explain, because when you look at all the comments around Mudryk, everything around Mudryk, how he speak about it, everything is good, clean, truth. I'm telling you. But here's the case, the sample is saying otherwise. Here's the case, the sample A said otherwise. But Mudryk complained, he said the truth, he didn't consume or take any substance called meldonium or meldonium. So when you look at Mudryk explanations, like this test they did, polygraph test, lie test, he qualified. It was truth that he didn't lie about anything. So what is wrong? I don't know. Some people are saying certain things about this case, agenda, what and what, Ukraine and what thing. But I don't want to go details into some of these things. I don't want anybody to come for me. But actually, I think something is hiding under. Because how on earth, how many months now, we have been waiting for the sample B. Please bring the sample B out. Those in charge, please let us know so that this guy will be free. This guy will stop thinking. Don't end this guy's career. If he is guilty, let us know. If he is not guilty, let us know so that everybody move on. Mudryk will also move on. So guys, that is the issue for Mudryk doping. Yes, latest information about his doping issue. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about this Mudryk, yes, doping issue, guys. So guys, these are the information, yes, from Chelsea camp. Yes, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about all what we discussed in this video. And another podcast is coming with my Chelsea brother. So please turn on the notification bell. When that video arrives, you will be the first person to see it. And don't forget to do what? Hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.